Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Syed Faraz Ashraf from Wednesday ID, and pardon me for not being available in the evaluation as I was in between some medical process. And thank you so much for providing such opportunity to submit a demo video of a project. Well, without wasting our time, let's start the roller coaster right off it. So, what is an alert system? Basically, the fitness alert will figure the definition in deciding the physical movement level of a person. The measure of a fluffy word hold to each physical action level is recognized starting with one onto the next. So let's have a look at what it actually says. Let's create a new account so that it will be quite easy to understand the process. Here we can choose the activity level at what circumstance we are about to produce a workout plan. So it will help to get the proper workout plan and as well as the calorie we have to take daily. So let's go for extremely active. So this is a personal profile section, and here you can have a look. It's a personal profile section in which the activity level we have selected is extremely active and the gender velocity is male. So let's have a look at what we are actually getting in this project is there are four main basic things. First, the number of glass of water we take daily. The other one is nutrition facts. It will give you the complete detail of the calories, fats, protein and carbs what we are having in our daily lives. For example, let's add oats. What are the number of calories into it? So you have protein 120, fats 30, carbs 40 and submit. See, the way you can submit, it will directly show you the number of percentage of all the substance you have taken, and you have even facility to cut one of them to see the rest of things. For example, if I just cut the protein, it won't show the graph of protein here. Similarly for the carbs and similarly for the fat. So if you want to see just one, what number of protein and what number of carbs, fat you have extra taken, so you can have a look on it. Similarly, here we can add the number of glasses whatsoever we need per day. Here it due to your we have applied a fuzzy logic on two things, that is activity level and male and our gender, and through this we are getting the number of calories that we have to take per day and every other things like what number of workout, what number of hours of sleep, what number of glasses and what diet we need. It's all going to be happen just because of we have applied fuzzy logic on the activity level and the gender. So what is fuzzy logic? A fuzzy logic algorithm helps to solve a problem like after considering all available data. Then it takes the best possible decision for the given input. We have used a FL method that imitates the way of decision making in a human, which consider all the possibilities between digital values T and F. So according to that, we are having a number of calories that we have to take per day. Here you can change the dates. See, if we go to the next day, then the number of calories become 0, because for today we have already taken 120 calories. See, right? So via this we can update whole profile, like how much number of glasses we have taken per day. Similarly, we can add the meal for whole day. And as well, most importantly, the number of hours that we have given for a workout. Similarly, the number of sleep. And against of it, when we go for a weekly repetition, so we can find out what actually we have in a last week. Matlab, we can have the whole graph of the things that we had in a last week. And even you are having an option that you can reduce anything, whatever you want. If you want to reduce the workout, you can there are two things. One is a target and other one is a achieved thing. So that bigger line is a target, and the smaller line is a achieved thing. Like for example, the workout target was around 500, 4 to 500, right? And what we have actually achieved is it's 120. So we are quite near about it. So this graph will help the user to predict what further efforts he or she has to apply for it. And at any time you can change your age, weight, and for example, you can change your profile anytime. It's totally user friendly application. So well, I think the demonstration is done. We can have a look onto the code. This project is made on VS Code, and the interior of this project I have made it on React Native, and for that purpose we have used .json, .json++, and as well as package.json and server.js. I will surely provide all the things in text file for the, like if you need to run the project. Thank you.